Hey guys, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video of WordPress series, we will understand how you can add a reCAPTCHA for your contact form 7 so that it can avoid spams query or bot query, or it can protect your website from spammers and spam queries. So first, let's understand how the reCAPTCHA works. reCAPTCHA is a simple and free of cost tool provided by Google, and reCAPTCHA observes the behavior of the user. If the user behavior is not a general human behavior, maybe it can a bot behavior, it can be a spammer behavior, then it does not allow any spammer to fill the form directly and submit the form. It asks for a CAPTCHA pop-up and to solve some particular quiz, and then after it validates whether it is a human or not. So that's how the reCAPTCHA behaves. And in modern reCAPTCHA, you will see that if you are a human, generally it will not show you any kind of puzzle. But as soon as it detects unusual behavior, it shows the CAPTCHA in form of a quiz which you need to solve before submitting the form. So how to integrate that particular reCAPTCHA in your WordPress website, that is the agenda for this video. So stay tuned, watch the video till the end so that you don't miss any step. First of all, you need to make sure that you have a contact form 7 already in place, and I have multiple forms which are built using contact form, right? So I want to protect all of them so that no spam queries, no kind of spammers can spam me. So for that, I will go to contact, and then there is a button called integration. Click on this button. Now, if you scroll down here, you will see an option called reCAPTCHA. You will see an option called reCAPTCHA. So you need to open this link google.com/reCAPTCHA in a new tab, and click on setup integration on this button. So this setup integration will ask you for a site key and secret key, which you will get on this link which we opened in a new tab. Make sure that you have a Gmail ID in order to complete this process. Now we say V3 admin console. So by default, if you are logged in with your Gmail ID, it will take you to that V3 admin console. Click on this V3 admin console. And as soon as I am here, you can see that I am logged in with my email ID, and that's why it is shown me here. Now, if I want to register for this reCAPTCHA directly, either you will see your interface asking for email ID and domain name. And if you don't see, you can just click on this plus icon that is called create, and it will show you this kind of screen, or you will directly see this screen if you don't have any reCAPTCHA already installed. So here we will give a label. So we can give a label, let's say demo WP expert. And we will go with V3, that is the advanced and modern reCAPTCHA version. And in terms of domain, we'll just copy the domain from here. Make sure you don't copy and paste the additional things like HTTPS and /. Just make sure that you enter your domain name and nothing else. So in my case, it is demo.wpexpert.in. And now I will keep as it is. Same thing. If you see any terms and condition CAPTCHA or checkbox, just verify that and click on submit. Once it is submit, now you will see there is a site key and secret key. So you will just copy the site key, click on copy site key, come back here, paste it in the first input box, come back to reCAPTCHA, copy the secret key, come back again, secret key, paste the secret key, and then click on save changes. Once it is done, it will say reCAPTCHA is active on your website. How to verify? Just come back to the website. You can see there is no reCAPTCHA sign. Now, as soon as I refresh it, now you will see there is a reCAPTCHA sign on the right bottom which says protected by Google, because now individual form will not have reCAPTCHA, but overall website is protected by reCAPTCHA. It means whatever form, how many forms are there, the entire website is captured and protected by the reCAPTCHA, so that any inhuman behavior or any suspicious behavior is captured on your any of the page, then it will protect your contact form query forms, then it will protect your website to get the spam queries on your forms. So that's how the reCAPTCHA works, and that's how you have integrated the reCAPTCHA successfully on your WordPress website for your contact form 7 plugin. And if you are new on the channel, then please don't forget to subscribe to right now and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update whenever we upload a new video on our YouTube channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.